of Fanatic here. I'm going to do a roadside repair. I'm about an hour away from home, and I started feeling my car pulling really bad to the right. And of course, I check the TPMS gauge, and the front right tire has a screw in it. So I'm going to just get the camera closer so you guys can see it. It's a drywall screw, so I usually run about 34 psi in the tires, and it went down to about 27. I drove for about another 10 minutes, then I went down to 21. Now it's at 17. So I got the safety seal kit in the trunk. I got the OEM factory compressor. I got all my stuff. So I'm going to shoot this in real time and show you guys how to do this on the side of the road on a Sunday. Like I said, no need to go to a tire shop. No need to put the sealant in there. Just get the safety seal kit and get it fixed the right way. So let me let the camera roll and grab the stuff. Safety seal kit, and what I always do with my tire crayon, I always mark where it's going to be, and then I'm going to get this guy ready, because when I extract the screw, let me just close the door. Yeah, there you go, get better light right now. So you dip it in the lubricant. Okay, get that ready. Got my gloves on, and then we got my nip picks pliers. Yeah, this is a drywall screw, and it's really in there. Wow. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to deflate the tire a little bit more. Make my life a little bit easier. And that's just something that I do when I break down the side of the road. Alright, until the sidewall gets a little squishy, and we're good to go. Yeah, look at that. You hear it? That's where the hole is. So there's the one that I pulled out last time from a contractor at my home, and here's the one today. They look pretty similar, except this is a thicker gauge. So these are drywall screws. So let's just go in there. Okay, we're going to leave that in there. I'm going to get the camera down. I'm going to show you guys how to get the safety seal kit ready. So these are the patches right here that I use. Peel them off, and it's definitely makes sense to have some gloves on. So what I usually do, I squeeze it on the end, and then you wiggle it through. And then I take my cutting pliers and I pull it. See, like I'm showing you there? You're going to want to go evenly. Move the camera back to our repair. And you're going to want to do this to clean out the hole. Some of them have a reamer attached, which kind of makes it a little bit messy. I like this one. It just gives a cleaner repair that I found. There we go. So that's it. The tire is professionally plugged. I'm totally confident to drive home now. And what you're going to do is just put your stuff away. Now, you usually could cut this with the pliers, and you don't want to cut it flush. Okay, like I'm showing you here. Alright, and then I always keep a fresh razor blade in my kit, and if you want to just trim it down a little bit more, use the razor blade. Okay, that's fine. I don't want to go too low, because then you could cause the patch to go into the tire, and that defeats the whole purpose. So let me go grab the air compressor. We're going to get this tire filled back up. I'm going to put the tools back in the car. And here's the factory air compressor that comes in the trunk of most cars today. This will be the first time that I'm actually using it. And it actually comes with some adapters. And we're going to use the 12-volt receptacle. There we go. Yeah, it's first thing in the morning. And I'm in a empty shopping center up in Connecticut. There we go. Okay. I got my long acre gauge with me. So there's a little gauge on the OEM compressor, which is great, guys, but I'm not going to go by that. I always keep the long acre gauge in the trunk. We're at 32. Just going to crank it a little bit more. The whole job takes longer to fill the damn tire up than it is to pull the screw and do the repair. So the gauge that's on the compressor is not very accurate. That's why you always want a real tire pressure gauge in your car. Perfect. 34 PSI. So guys, there you have it, man. Pick up a safety seal kit. Get the tire pressure gauge like I told you in my safety video a number of months back. And it took me, the camera's rolling for exactly 10 minutes, 55 seconds. Most of that time was filling up the tire. You could be on the road in less than 10 minutes if you have everything in your car. Don't panic, get it done. You see how easy it is. Just pull over on the side of the road and just make it happen. See you guys soon. AutoFanatic at yahoo.com. Take care.